Okay, it's been well over a year since I've worked on this robot, and when I last worked on it, I destroyed a few things. I crushed the Z-axis gearbox accidentally, and I connected and wired the power polarity incorrectly into the CAN bus, and that actually destroyed some of the servo controllers and the CAN bus itself. That was well over a year ago. It was like almost a year and a half ago. And but a little bit more than a year ago, I joined Thunk, and I stopped working on the robot. But last week was my last week at Thunk. So I thought I'd finish this. A few problems. One is quite a few changes have been made to the robot since I worked on it. So I'm actually printing new parts at this point. The main Corex has been widened for a new circuit board. There's actually now a bigger hole here on this part to be able to actually access the motor that's behind here. And the other problem I've had is the backlash. You can see here, I don't have to do much, and there's like this little wobble. The wobble's not supposed to be there. And the issue is that these threaded M5 rods, the middle part that's not threaded is actually not M5. It's actually not 5 millimeters. It's just a little bit less than 5 millimeters, and there's enough slack on all of the rods that it can shake. So I finally caught up, and I looked at the Discord channel, and they have changed out the rods, supposedly to be better, but I'm not ordering a whole new kit, which is like $500, just for the rods. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this apart, and I'm gonna try actually putting heat tubing around it, melt it around it, and try to get it to actually be much closer to 5 millimeters, or maybe even a little bit more, and jamming it in. And we'll see if that actually works or not, and if that gets rid of this backlash. I had a lot more backlash when I had the Z-axis. So in order to do all these changes, I actually have to take the whole damn thing apart. So that's what we're gonna do now.